It's time to do farm chores.
Brittany Spears. Miss ma'am, may I ask you why the fuck you been out all night again? I'm about to put your little ass under a conservatorship since you want to stay out acting crazy all damn night. Come on.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Come on, get y'all's asses up. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. Come on. Come on, psycho. Go on, Dolly Parton. Hey, little baby, hell. You quick, ain't it? Come on, turkey. I know this has got to be a fucking joke. You cannot be broody again. Bam, bam. What is the damn problem? This is getting out of control. Come on. Come on.